I'm going to talk to you about how to shoot on Insta360. Hi everybody, this is Dr. Rakesh right now in Rhode Island, not Rhodes Island, USA, Rhode in Greece. Today, I'm going to talk to you about how to shoot on Insta360. If you just got your new camera or if you're planning to buy this 360 camera, you might be wondering how do I take great videos. So I'm going to show you simple ways to shoot on Insta360. Let's go ahead and get it done. So the first mode is just hold the selfie stick like this, and either you can just stand like this, or you can walk towards the subject like this, and that's it. This is a very simple way to shoot. So the second way to shoot is just hold the selfie stick like this and walk towards your subject or any direction, and that's it. So the third way to record is just like this. You can see roads, city tour. So the next view is called reveal view. So you start low and then go up like that. This is another reveal shot. So I'm going to bring my camera out like this and then show this. So the next view is follow shot. So I have a camera just following me, and this is how you follow basically. Kashmir is taking underwater shot. The camera is under the water, and now she's revealing the camera. I'm going all the way up and bringing it towards me. So it's very easy to shoot.